Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Randall from Rentvine. You may have heard, but our user conference is live. It's coming to you next May. And to register, you can just go under rentvine.com/user-conference. And as you can see here, you'll be presented with an opportunity to register and see the theme. And I've gotten some questions about what does the theme mean? So I thought I would just make a quick video and talk about that for a second. The Be Heard user conference revolves around the idea of community and unity, and it draws inspiration from the behavior of the Cape Buffalo, which thrive through teamwork and collective strength. This theme resonates with the African philosophy of Ubuntu, which is emphasized by shared humanity, interconnectedness, and the belief that I am who I am because of who we all are. Rentvine ties these concepts to its core values, promoting a sense of belonging and collaboration within its customer base and partners. The conference reflects the idea that participants aren't just individuals, but are part of a larger herd, with Rentvine fostering an environment where everyone can be heard and supported through mutual connection and innovation. I hope that helps. I love this theme. It connects with me personally, and I hope it does with you too. Register today. We'll see you there.